Right. Then under the business objectives, last day we discuss objectives in your life. Objectives in your life we discussed last day, and then what we discussed last day, and then we discussed some of the objectives. Some of the objectives as a customer. Yes, some of the objectives as a customer we discussed last day, and then right. Those are the things we discussed last day. Those are the things we discussed last day. Then students, today we discuss objectives of a business organization. It means yes, question number 9. Question number 9 we discussed today. Okay, right. Now, every business organization has an objective. Okay, every business organization has an objective. Okay, it means business may have one objective or few objectives. Okay, every business objective has an objective, but there may be different objectives depending on the nature of the business organization. Depending on the nature of the business organization, there may be different type of objectives for business organization. Okay, right. Then, as a consumer, as a customer, one of your objective is to purchasing quality products. Purchasing quality product at a reasonable price. Okay, likewise, business organization also trying to achieve the objectives. Why? Now, business organization need to earn profit. Okay, yeah? Business organization, the main objective of a business is to earn profit. Then, when they are achieving their profit earning objectives, okay, there are some other objectives to be achieved. Why? Main objective of a business is to earn profit. Okay, if you run a business organization, your target is to earn profit. Then, when you are achieving your profit objective, profit target, you need to achieve some other objectives as well. We'll discuss today. Okay, we'll discuss today. Then we'll discuss today. Right. Then here, under the business objectives, first objective that we need to discuss is earning profit. Earning profit. Okay. In most of the business organization, their target is to earn profit. In most of the business organization, their target is to earn profit. Earning profit. Okay. Then, to earn profit, a business organization need to fulfill consumer requirements, customer requirements. If a business organization is unable to fulfill our requirements, they can't achieve profit. They can't achieve profit. Okay. Okay. Normally, in a business organization, their main objective is to earn profit. But if they want to earn profit, they need to fulfill our requirements. They need to fulfill our requirements. Now, without fulfilling our requirements, they can't earn profit. They can't earn profit. Okay, business organization need to fulfill customer requirement. Customer requirement. If Kiribathgoda textile needs to earn profit, they should be able to provide required products to customers. If they can't provide quality products at a reasonable price to customers, customers will not purchase products from Kiribathgoda textile, Candy textile. Therefore, to earn profit by a business organization, they must fulfill consumer requirements. If business fail to fulfill customer requirement, definitely they can't earn profit. They can't earn profit. Okay, then students, then First objective of a business is to earn profit. Earn profit. First objective. First one is earn profit. And then second main objective of a business is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Without satisfying customers, they can't earn profit. Therefore, students, first objective is earning profit. Second one is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. For a business organization, customer is the king. Customer is the king. Okay, if customers are not there, they can't earn profit. They can't earn profit. Okay, if customers are not there, they can't earn profit. Therefore, they need to fulfill customer requirements. If Kiribathgoda textile, Candy textile is unable to provide different type of clothes to customers, then customers will not come to the business organization. Why? They can't fulfill customer requirements. Now, our we'll discuss. We'll discuss. We have needs and wants. We have needs and wants. Customer wants are very complex. Wants are very complex. Okay, business organizations are unable to. Business organizations are trying to identify customer requirements. Customer requirements. Therefore, they provide different type of goods to customers. Different type of products to customers. Okay, business provide different type of products to customers. Okay, if you go to Kiribathgoda textile or Candy textile, you can see different type of clothes. Different type of clothes. Why? To fulfill customer requirements, we need to select clothes. We need to select clothes. Therefore, they provide variety of goods, different type of goods to customers to fulfill their requirements. Why? Without fulfilling customer requirements, business organization is unable. Business organization is unable to earn profit. They are unable to earn profit. Okay, they are unable to earn profit. Right, then students, main objective of a business is to earn a profit, and other main objective is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Without satisfying customer requirements, they can't earn profit. They can't earn. Now, in O level, if examiner asks you to write down what are the main objectives of a business organization, you need to write down these two. Earning profit, increasing customer satisfaction. Okay, right. And then other than these two objectives, there are some sub-objectives, other objectives. Sub-objectives. Okay, sub-objectives of a business organization. Sub-objectives. Okay, first one is sub-objective. First one is students, increasing quality of goods and services. Increasing quality of goods and services. Business needs to increase quality of goods and services. Okay, yeah, they need to follow quality standards. Okay, by following quality standards in Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka, what is the main quality standard? Main quality standard is SLS. Sri Lanka standard. Okay, Sri Lanka standard. Then, by following quality standards, business organizations trying to increase quality of their goods and services. When a customer always trying to purchase a quality product. Then business organizations are trying to purchase a quality product. Customers. Customers are trying to purchase a quality product at a reasonable price. At a reasonable price. Therefore, one of the objective of business is to providing quality product to customers. Okay, if they provide a quality product, customer will come back to the business organization. Customer will come back to the business organization. Okay, right. First sub-objective is increasing quality of goods and services. And then second sub-objective is students. Second one is generating employment opportunities. Generating employment opportunities. Generating employment opportunities. Now, business organization provide so many employment opportunities. Employment opportunities means you can work in that business organization. Okay, you can get a job from the business organization. Okay, you can get a job. Then here, business organization provide the service to the society by providing employment opportunities. Employment opportunities. Now, one of the objective of government also is what? Increasing employment rate in the country, providing job opportunities. Okay, providing job opportunities to people. Then, okay, finally, then they can earn. Then they can earn something. And therefore, students, one of the objective of government also is to providing employment opportunities, increasing employment opportunities. Then a business organization also provide employment opportunities, job opportunities for us. Okay, one of the social service provided by business organization is what? Providing employment opportunities, job opportunities. Everyone cannot conduct their own business organization. Okay, yeah? Okay. Everyone in the society cannot start own business. Therefore, they should have jobs. Okay, to earn some money. Therefore, business provide job opportunities for the society. Job opportunities for the society. Okay, fine. Then students, one of the sub-objective of a business organization is what? Generating employment opportunities. Creating employment opportunities. Okay, generating employment opportunities or creating employment opportunities. Right, and then students, and then third sub-objective of a business is what? Third one is employee welfare. Employee welfare means what? Employee welfare means business organization need to fulfill customer requirements. Business organization need to fulfill customer requirements to earn profit. Business organization need to fulfill customer requirements to earn profit. To earn profit, they need to fulfill customer requirements. But these customers' requirements are fulfilled by employees of the business organization. Employees. Okay, business organization need to earn profit by satisfying customer requirements. Okay. But these customer requirements are provided by employees of the business. Employees. Okay. These services are provided by employees to the customers. Therefore, business organization need to satisfy their employees. Then they will provide good service to their customers. Okay, business organization need to satisfy their employees. If they satisfy their employees, employees will provide a good service, good product to customers. Okay, therefore, business organization provide various facilities for their employees. Various facilities other than the salary. Okay, there business organization pay a salary. Business organization pay a salary. Okay, let's say Himandi. Let's say Himandi doing a job. Okay, Himandi has a job. Then through that job, Himandi can earn monthly 80,000 rupees as salary. Monthly 80,000 rupees as salary. But other than salary, business organization provide Himandi various facilities, other benefits. Sometimes traveling allowances, traveling facilities, medical facilities, Okay, yeah, medical facilities. Sometimes housing facilities, traveling facilities, medical facilities, housing facilities, meals. Okay, breakfast, lunch, dinner, maybe. Okay, business provide various facilities to their employees other than salary. Those are called employee welfare. So then another objective of a business organization is what? Providing employee welfare facilities. If employees if you satisfy your employees, they will provide a good product. They will provide a good service to your customers. Then customers, if customers are satisfied, then business organization can earn profit. Okay, then business organization can earn profit. Right. The insurance. These are some objectives of a business organization: increasing quality of goods and services, generating employee opportunities, employee welfare. Other objectives of a business organization. Now, these are called sub-objectives in a business. These are called sub-objectives of a business organization. Sub-objectives. Okay, then, students, what are the main objectives of a business organization? Earning profit, and then customer satisfaction. Other than these two, there are some sub-objectives of a business organization. What are them? Increasing quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities, employee welfare. These are called sub-objectives of a business organization. Then students, your last day I think you have written question number 9. Question number 9. Yes, lastly you have question number 9. You have written question number 9. What are the objectives of a business? Then students under this topic, write down first one. Write down like this. Main objectives. Write down main objectives. Okay, write down earning profit. First, write down earning profit. Second one, increasing customer satisfaction. Increasing customer satisfaction. Main objectives. Some main objectives of a business organization. And there are sub-objectives. Sub-objectives write down. So I will write down, yes, sub-objectives write down. Increasing quality of goods and services. Increasing quality of goods and services. Second one, generating employment opportunities. Generating employment opportunities. Generating employment opportunities. And the third one, employee welfare. Employee welfare. First objective is earn profit. Second one, increasing customer satisfaction. Make two objectives. And the sub objectives, increasing quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities, employee welfare. Employee welfare. Okay, done, finished. Hania, okay, the Hania?
Yes, sir.
Right. Samasya, okay, the? Netum, okay, Netum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Himandi, okay, the? Himandi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Sadev, okay, Sadev?
Yes, sir.
Right. The insurance, right. Binili, what do you mean by a business? Binili. Binili, a business means what? A business means?
An economic activity which manufactures or provide different goods and services in order to fulfill human needs.
Yes, right. Yes, very good. All right. Then chamatka, yes, chamatka, what do you mean by a barter system? Barter system, Tamakka?
Barter system is known as exchanging goods.
Yes, exchanging goods, right? Right. Then Gayande. Gayande, what are the objectives in your life as a customer? Gayande. Right. Hania. What are the objectives in your life as a customer, Hania?
To buy goods at a reasonable price.
Yes. And then another one?
Selecting the product based on the requirements.
Yes, right. Okay, right. Sadev. Sadev, what are the some of the activities that can be done through electronic media? Some of the activities.
Ordering goods,
Hmm?
paying money, advertising,
Hmm?
administration activities, market research.
Right. Okay, right. Now, some of the activities that can right, that can be performed through electronic media. Right. Okay, right. And then students, last we discussed question number 8. Question number 8. Yes, last we discussed question number 8. Under the question number 8, what we discussed a business doesn't have a single object. A business doesn't have a single objective. Explain this statement. A business doesn't have a single objective. Explain this statement. Here we discuss 5 objectives related to business organization. Here we discuss 5 objectives related to business organization. Okay, the reason is a business doesn't have a single objective. Main objective of business is to earn profit. But other than earn profit, there are some objectives in a business organization. Why? A business doesn't have a single objective. Why? The reason is business organization need to fulfill requirements of different stakeholders. Business organization need to fulfill requirements of different stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? Last we discussed. Who are the stakeholders? The stakeholders means interested parties for a business organization. Interested parties for a business. Interested parties. Parties who are looking at the business organization. Interested parties, stakeholders. The main party is owner. Okay, the main interested party for a business organization is owner. Other than owner, okay, other than owner, we can identify different parties interested to a business organization. Customers, suppliers, employees, managers, government, financial organization. Interested parties for a business, they always looking at the business organization. Why? Why? The reason is they expect something from the business organization. Employees expect reasonable salary. Managers also same reasonable salary for their commitment. Customers expecting to get a quality product. Okay, financial organizations are looking at the business to provide more loan facilities. Government looking at the business organization to collect taxes. Okay, likewise, students, different stakeholders expect different things from the business organization. It means a business cannot fulfill only the requirements of owner. For example, let's say Sahasri run a business organization. Then Sahasri need to earn profit. Sahasri is the owner. Owner need profit. Okay. But when they earn profit, but when the business organization earn profit, they need to fulfill requirements of other stakeholders as well. They need to fulfill requirements of other stakeholders as well. Other stakeholders as well. Therefore, students, a business need to protect owners and other stakeholders. Everyone need to run a business organization. Everyone need. Therefore, business need to fulfill requirements of different stakeholders. Therefore, a business doesn't have a single objective. Therefore, a business doesn't have a single objective. Last time we discussed. Therefore, a business doesn't have a single objective. Question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Right. Question number 8 is what? A business doesn't have a single objective. A business doesn't have a single objective. Right. Okay, right. Okay, question number 8. And then our question number 9 was objectives of a business organization. These are the objectives. Okay, we discuss now. Earning profit, increasing customer satisfaction. Sub-objectives, increasing quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities and employment. Other objectives of a business organization. Okay, other objectives of a business organization. Right. Right. The students, quickly we will go to the textbook. Now I please get the textbook. Now I please get the textbook. Go to page number 3. Go to page number 3 of your textbook. Right, Lamai, can you read first para? Can you read first para? Suwani. Suwani, can you read first para?
As a customer, your objective is to obtain a quality product at a reasonable price to satisfy your need. Similarly, customers and other different stakeholders of business have specific objectives to be fulfilled. Every business has a specific objective or set of objectives to be achieved. Because the parties such as owners of business, its managers, employees, customers, government, and community expect different returns from a business.
Right. Right, Lamai here, as a customer, your objective is to obtain a quality product at a reasonable price to satisfy a need. Similarly, consumers and other different stakeholders of a business have specific objectives to be fulfilled. Every business has a specific objective or set of objectives to be achieved because the parties such as owners of the business, its managers, employees, customers, government and community expect a different return from the business organization. Lamai, please highlight in your textbook. Every business has a specific objective or set of objectives to be achieved. Lamai, please highlight. Every business has a specific objective or set of objectives to be achieved. Why? They need to fulfill requirements of different stakeholders. Okay, therefore, a business doesn't have a single objective. Therefore, a business doesn't have a single objective. Lamai, please highlight. Please highlight this point. Okay, right. And then students, and then here you can see following are business objectives that can be seen in common in a profit-oriented business organization. These are the objectives of a business organization, of a business organization in a profit-oriented business. Now, in our society, there are two types of business organization. Okay, some of the business organization trying to earn profit, but some of the business organization trying to provide welfare services. Then these objectives for a business organization that try to achieve profit. For a profit-oriented business organization, okay, we can apply these objectives. Okay, here, come and go to the textbook. Come and go to the textbook here. First objective of a business. First objective of a business organization. Right, first objective of business organization. Shara or Shahra, ne? Shara, yes, right. Any, read the note. Shara or Shara, yes, Shara, ne? Shara. First objective.
Earning profits.
Yes, and then
Profit earning objectives is essential for a business because it has to pay a sufficient return to the owners for their investment.
right. Then over here, profit earning objective is essential for a business organization because it has to pay a sufficient return to owners for their investment. Okay, the main objective of a business is what? Earning profit. The reason is they need to pay a sufficient return to their owners. Sufficient return to their owners for their investment. Why? What do you mean by sufficient return? Sufficient return means, okay, I will give you some example. Let's say Sadev. Let's say Sadev has 50 million rupees. Let's say Sadev has 50 million rupees. 50 million rupees. 50 million rupees. Then Sadev can invest this 50 million rupees to start an own business organization. Okay, Sadev can invest this 50 million to start own business organization. To start a business. To start a business organization. Then, if not, Sadev can invest this 50 million rupees for a fixed deposit. Fixed deposit. In a fixed deposit, Sadev can invest this 50 million. Fixed deposit in Sampat Bank. Okay, Sadev can invest this 50 million to start own business organization or to open a fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account. Now, in commerce, we consider business organization and owner. In commerce, we consider business organization and owner as separate parties. Separate parties. Now, in commerce, we consider business organization and owner as separate parties. Separate parties. Business organization is a separate organization. Owner is a separate party, separate person from the business organization. From the business. So then, if Sadev invested 50 million to start a business organization, if the business organization failed to provide a sufficient return to Sadev, if the business organization failed to provide a sufficient return to Sadev will remove his investment from the business organization. If the business organization failed to provide a sufficient return, reasonable profit to Sadev will remove this 50 million investment amount from this business organization. Let's say like this. Let's say if Sadev invested this 50 million to start a fixed deposit account, to open a fixed deposit account, if Sadev invested this 50 million, let's say annually he can earn 12% interest. Okay, yeah. Sadev can earn 12% interest annually if he invested this 50 million in a fixed deposit account in Sampat Bank. But then let's say without investing this 50 million in FD, if Sadev invested this amount to start an own business organization, then this business need to provide. Then this business organization need to provide more than 12% profit, more than 12% benefit to Sadev. If fixed deposit provide 12% interest, then the business organization need to provide 12% or more. 12% or more return to benefit to Sadev, profit to Sadev. Okay, yeah. without investing in a business organization, if Sadhu invested this 50 million into open business account, the 50% will provide 12% investment for the 50 million. But here, if Sadhu invested this 50 million to start own business organization, then the business should be able to provide a return, a benefit, a profit more than 20% to Sadhu. If not, Sadhu will remove his investment from this business organization. And that is called to pay a sufficient return to their owners. Business need to earn profit. Business need to earn profit. Okay, then the main objective of the business is what? Earning profit. Earning profit. Earning profit. Okay, here Sadhu invested this 50 million to open a business. Okay, to start a business. Then target is what? Target is to earn a profit. Then the business should be able to provide a sufficient return to owners. Sufficient return to owners. Sufficient return. Enough return. Sufficient return to owners. Okay, if we provide 12%, then more than 12% return need to be provided to Sadhu by the business organization. Business එක මේකට වැඩි return එකක් වැඩි profit එකක් දෙන්න ඕන Sadhu. ඒක තමයි කියන්නේ sufficient return. Sufficient return. A reasonable return. A reasonable profit. A reasonable. Okay, right. Then earning profit is the main objective of business organization. Earning profit. Right. Right. Then second objective, Suvani. Suvani, read the second objective, Suvani.
Increasing customer satisfaction. The survival of a business depends on how it satisfies the needs and wants of its customers.
Increasing customer satisfaction. The survival of the business depends on how it satisfies the needs and wants of customers. Now, if business fails to fulfill customer requirements, if the business organization fails to fulfill customer requirement, they will not come back. They will not come back. Therefore, the business organization need to fulfill customer requirements. Then, increasing customer satisfaction is the second objective of a business organization. Increasing customer satisfaction is the second objective of a business organization. Second objective. Okay, right. And then the next one. Here, in achieving our objectives, business needs to focus on sub-objectives. Here, sub-objectives. Now, please highlight sub-objectives. Now, please highlight sub-objectives. Then, first one is what? First sub-objective is what? First one, Sahasvi. Sahasvi, can you read first one? Right. Sadev. Sadev, can you read first one? Sadev. Sadev. Sub-objectives first one, Sadev. Sadev missing. Right. Netum. Netum, first one.
Increasing the quality of goods and services. Business intend to provide quality goods and services at a reasonable price as well as to fulfill customer needs and wants.
Right. Business intend to provide quality goods and services at a reasonable price as well as to fulfill consumer needs and wants. Right? To fulfill customer requirements, business organization trying to increase quality of their goods and services. Okay, right. And then students, B, generating employment. Right. Read the note. Liasha. Read B.
Generating employment opportunities. Another goal of businesses is to generate different job opportunities from laborers to top managers.
Right. Then insurance. Next one is another goal of the business is to generate different job opportunities from laborers to managers. A business need to provide job opportunities from laborers to top managers. Okay, one of the objective of a business, like that one of the social service provided by business organization. Okay, generating employment opportunities. Generating employment opportunities. Right. And then C, next objective of a business. Next objective of a business organization. Abdullah. Next
Employee
objective.
welfare. Employee welfare, providing various welfare facilities in addition to tax to satisfy the employees in another objective of most of the business. Food accommodation facilities, transportation facilities, and medical facilities are some examples for those various welfare facilities offered by a business.
Right then here, providing various welfare facilities in addition to wages to satisfy the employees is another objective of most of the business organizations. Other than providing a salary, business trying to provide some other services to them to fulfill customer requirements. So to fulfill employee requirements. To fulfill employee requirements. Okay, right? If a business, if a business fulfill employees' requirement, they will earn profit. They will drive the business organization to earn profit. Here, food, accommodation facilities, transportation facilities, and medical facilities are some example for those various welfare services offered by a business organization. Okay, some of the examples are here: food, accommodation, transportation, and medical facilities. Some of the items, some of the examples, some of the welfare facilities provided by a business organization to their employees. Okay, right. Then insurance. What are the objectives of a business organization? Main objective is insurance. Main objective is earning profit and customer satisfaction. And then other sub objectives: increasing quality of goods and services, and then increasing quality of goods and services, and then generating employment opportunities. And third one is employee welfare. Okay, sub objectives of a business organization. Okay, main objectives and sub objectives. Sometimes exam may ask you write down main objectives, and then you need to write down these two: earning profit, increasing customer satisfaction. Okay, if examiner asks you to write down write 4 objectives of a business, then you can mix and you can provide these objectives. Okay, any of these 5 objectives you can provide. But examiner asks you to write down main 2 objectives of a business, then you need to write down these 2: earning profit, increasing customer. Okay, right. Right, then insurance. Right, now we will move to the customer recent bonds. Insurance. My target is to start accounting part. Okay, here already we have discussed in our grade 10 syllabus. We have 3 theory lessons. Commerce is a practical subject, 100% practical subject. Commerce is a 100% practical subject. Okay, here we have in grade 10 we have 3 theory lessons, but actually those are not theories. Those are practical things regarding business organization. Okay, right. Then insurance. Okay, in grade 10 we have total 12 lessons. Out of 12 lessons, 3 lessons theory, balance 9 lessons belongs to accounting. Okay, grade 10 provide more space to discuss accounting part. It has 9 lessons. 9 lessons. Therefore, my target is to start accounting part for you from March month onwards. While we're discussing first 3 lessons, okay, we'll start accounting system. Okay, right then we'll discuss some of the questions time to time relating to accounting until we complete first 3 lessons. Okay, right now we'll take a break. We'll take break, 5 minutes break, only 5 minutes break. Now I take 5 minutes break. Right, now we'll start. Students, when you're discussing commerce business studies, one of the concepts that we discuss is needs and wants. Business organization trying to fulfill human needs and wants, our needs and wants. Okay, in the definition of business organization, okay, in the definition of business, meaning of business, we discuss business provide goods or services to fulfill our requirements, our needs and wants. Our needs and wants. Then now we will discuss, quickly we will discuss needs and wants. Needs and wants. Needs and wants. A simple concept, okay, a simple concept is needs and wants. But time to time we need to discuss needs and wants. Okay, time to time we need to discuss this. We need to yes, time to time we need to discuss these 2 concepts. Okay, needs and wants. Needs and wants. Okay, in some of the definitions we can see business trying to fulfill needs and wants. Business trying to fulfill human needs and wants. Then what is need? What is want? Now, needs means essential things. Now, needs means essential things to be fulfilled. Essential things. Essential things to be fulfilled. Needs, essential things. Okay. Now, needs means essential things to be fulfilled in our life. Essential things. We must fulfill them. Essential things means we must fulfill them. Okay, we must fulfill those items, those things, essential things. Essential things. For example, now my needs means what? Essential things to be fulfilled in our life. Essential things. Then, for example, food. Now my food requirements. The food requirement we need to fulfill somehow. Now we need to fulfill our food requirement. We need to fulfill our food requirement. We must fulfill. We must fulfill. Without food, we can't live. Without food, we can't live. We must fulfill our food requirement. Then, food means one of the need, essential things to be fulfilled in our life. Essential thing. One of the need. One of the need is food. Then students, need means what? Essential things to be fulfilled in our life. Then what do we mean by wants? Wants means different ways that we can use to fulfill our food requirement. Okay, needs means essential things to be fulfilled, but wants means different ways that we can use to fulfill our food requirement. For example, to fulfill our food requirement, we can use anything. Paratha, kottu, rice and curry. Okay, fried rice, noodles. Likewise, now we can use different methods to fulfill our food requirement. Then those different methods, different ways are called wants. Those different ways are called wants. But essential things to be fulfilled. Okay, essential things are called needs. Food, one of the need. Clothes, one of the need. In this society, without clothes, we can't live. We can't live. But there are different ways. Okay, there are different ways to fulfill our clothes requirement. Trousers, sarong, skirt, blouse, t-shirt, shoes. Okay, likewise, we have different ways, different options for needs. Those options are called wants. Those options are called wants. Am I? No need to discuss needs in detail. Okay, the reason is in school teachers, okay, school teachers are discussing needs and wants again and again. Therefore, no need to explain much. Okay, the simple idea regarding needs means essential things to be fulfilled. Wants means different ways that we have to that we have to fulfill our need is wants. Different ways, different options available to fulfill a need. Okay, that is called wants. It is called wants. Okay, right. Then students, go to page number 4 of your textbook. Go to page number 4 of your textbook. Sadev, is it clear, Sadev? Sadev, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Himandi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right. And then what about Suvani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right. Right. Then students, quickly go to page number 4 of your textbook. Page number 4. Lamai, no need to write down. Okay, no need to write down a complete note. Okay, I will give you only the additional notes. Okay, only the additional notes related to the subject. Okay, no need to write down whole things available in your textbook. Again, on the on exercise book. Okay, only the required items we will write down. Okay, right. Then here, right. Needs and wants. Needs and wants. Right. But Sadhu, can you read this all? Sadhu.
Okay, sir. Human needs are needs. Needs are requirements that must be fulfilled, essential for existence. Food, clothing, and shelter are considered as the basic human needs, and when the society develops, education, health, security, transportation, communication, and entertainment are also recognized as human needs. The following characteristics can be seen in human needs.
Right, then students, then you need to write down question number 10. Right, Ramai, before going to question number 10, please highlight this point. Human needs are requirements that must be fulfilled essentially for existence. Please highlight this sentence. Human needs are requirements. Human needs are requirements that must be fulfilled essentially for existence. Human needs are requirements that must be fulfilled essentially for existence. Please highlight. Please highlight. Okay, right. And then students, write down your next question. Question number. Write down my question number 10. Write down like this. Question number 10. Write down like this. Question number write down. Classify human needs. Question number 10. Question number 10. Classify human needs. Classify human needs. Classify human needs. Right, under that write down. On the write down students, on the write down. First one write down. First one write down. Food. Second one. Clothing. And then shelter. Shelter means what? Shelter means neither. We need a house. We need a house to live. Shelter. Okay, we need a house. Shelter. Okay, shelter. Food, clothing, shelter. Now, in front of food, clothing, and shelter. Am I in front of food, clothing, and shelter? Write down. In front of food, clothing, and shelter. Write down. Write down basic needs. Basic needs. In front of food, clothing, and shelter. Write down basic needs. Basic needs. Basic needs. Basic needs. Basic needs. And then write down. And then write down other needs. Write down fourth one. Fourth one, write down fourth one. Write down fourth one. Education. education, health, security, transportation, communication, entertainment. Write down other, write down, and then write down education, health, security, transportation, and communication, and then entertainment. Okay, then right. Education, health, security, transportation, communication, and entertainment. Right, and then students, in front of education, health, security, transportation, and communication, and then entertainment, I write down other needs. In front of education, transportation, communication, security, and then education, right? Then in front of those needs. Okay, write down other needs. Other needs. Other needs. Other needs. Okay, other needs. In front of education, health, security, transportation, communication, and entertainment. In front of these needs, please write down other needs. Other needs. Basic human needs are food, clothing, and shelter. But with the development of the society, okay, with the development of technology, other needs are arise. Okay, other needs are arise. Okay, other needs are arise. And then those are education, health, security, transportation, communication, and entertainment. Right, then other needs. Then students, if examiner asks you to write down, right, two basic needs, then you need to write down food, clothing, and shelter. If examiner asks you to write down basic needs, write down two basic needs. Then you need to write down basic needs from these three. From these three. But if examiner asks you to write four needs, then you can write down any of these nine, any four needs from these nine needs. Okay, sometimes examiner may ask you to write down basic needs, especially, okay, he will ask you to write down two basic needs. And then you need to write down two out of these three basic needs. Okay, clear? Netum, clear or not? Netum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Abdullah, clear? Abdullah, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Himanti, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Right. Right. And then my next part is characteristics of names. But before going to characteristics of names, we will look at the meaning of wants. Wants means different ways that we can use to satisfy these needs. Different ways to satisfy our food need. We have different options. To satisfy our cloth need, we have different options. Different options. To fulfill our shelter need, we have different options. We have different options. Different ways. Then those ways are called. Okay, then those ways are called what? Okay, wants. Wants. Okay, right. Now I quickly go to page number. Quickly go to page number 4. Wants. 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 Now here, wants are different ways of satisfying needs. A single need can be satisfied in different ways. Now here, wants are different ways of satisfying needs. Different ways. Okay, different ways that can be used to satisfy a need. Okay, wants. Different ways. Now please highlight. Wants are different ways of satisfying need. Different ways of satisfying need. A want. A want. Okay, and then a single need can be satisfied in different ways. But to satisfy a single need, we have different options. We have different methods. Now here you can see a need food. Then to fulfill our food requirement, steam hoppers, ice cream, cake. Then some of the options, some of the ways, some of the methods that we can use to fulfill our food requirement. Clothes, sarees, uniform, shoes. Alright. Some of the options available to satisfy our cloth need. Our cloth need. Okay, clear, right. And the students, here, business produce different type of goods and services to fulfill human needs and wants of customers. To fulfill human needs and wants, business organization manufacture produce different goods and services. Different goods and services. Okay, right. To fulfill our requirements, they provide different goods and services. Then here you can see some of the characteristics of wants. Some of the characteristics of wants. Right. Before going to characteristics of wants, we will look at characteristics of needs at first. We will look at characteristics of needs at first. Right. What are the characteristics of needs? What are the characteristics of needs? Right. What are the characteristics of needs? Right. Then here, first one. First characteristic of need. Binili. First one, Binili.
Being essential. It is essential to fulfill the needs for existence.
Being essential. Being essential means it is essential to fulfill needs for the existence. It means without fulfilling needs, we can't live. To live in this society, we must fulfill our needs. Without fulfilling our food need, we can't live. It is essential. Being essential. Okay, right. Second one. Chamatka, second one.
Being common, needs are common to every individual.
Right. Lamai, needs are common to every individual. everyone, common to everyone. Common to everyone in the world. Everyone in the world need to fulfill our food requirement. Everyone in the world need to fulfill our food requirement. Their food requirement. Without fulfilling their food requirement, they can't live. Needs are common to every individual in every country, in every society. Being common. Then first one is what? Being essential. Second one is being common. Being common. Being common, right? And then students, third one is what? Third one. Third one, Gayandar. Read third one, Gayandar. Gayandar, third one, Gayandar.
So it cannot be created. Needs will arise naturally and hence cannot be created by businessmen.
Students, normally wants can be created by businessman. Wants can be created by businessman. Let's say, Netum started the business. Netum started the business to manufacture new product, new food, new product, new food. Okay, there. Netum introduced a new food to the society. Then, after introducing that new food to the society, through heavy advertising, through heavy advertisement, Netum can create wants in our mind, in customer's mind. Okay, there, Netum can create wants in consumer mind. Through heavy advertising, Netum can motivate customers to purchase his product. Netum can motivate to customers to purchase his product through heavy advertising. Okay, yeah, wants can be created. Anyway, customers need food. Then, to fulfill that food need, Netum can provide an option. Okay, Netum can provide an option. Then wants can be created, but students, needs cannot be created by businessman. Now, needs create naturally. Naturally. Now, to create these needs, it took long time. Long time. Okay, needs create naturally. Therefore, through heavy advertisement, okay, using different methods, businessman cannot create needs. Okay, it means needs create the society automatically. It will take long time to create a need. For example, around 30 years, 40 years ago, sometimes around 30 years, 40 years ago, sometimes okay, in our country, customers, okay, customers may haven't seen pizza around 30, 40 years ago. Okay, but later, Pizza Hut, right there, that business organization introduced pizza. Okay, right there, they introduced a new food. Right there, it means right there, through advertising, businessman created, right there, created an option for food requirement. An option for food requirement. A need, sorry, a want. Okay, business organization created pizza want. Pizza want. Right, in this insurance, business one can create wants. Businessman can create wants. But needs are created right there. The needs are created naturally. Okay, right then here. Look at the note. Cannot be created. Needs will arise naturally and hence cannot be created by businessman. Cannot be created by businessman. Okay, right. And then students, third point. Sorry, not third point, fourth point. Fourth point, Hania. Fourth point, Hania.
Being limited. Needs are relatively very low.
Right, Lamai, being limited. Needs are relatively very low in number. Yes, here we have only in your syllabus, it has only 9 needs. In your syllabus, we can see only 9 needs. Only 9. Relatively very low in number. Relatively very low in number. Here we have only 9 needs. Only 9 needs. But there are different methods that we can fulfill our food requirement. There are different wants, unlimited wants, different type of foods we have to fulfill our food requirement. Different type of clothes are there to fulfill our clothes requirement. Wants are unlimited, but needs limited, very low in number. Very low in number. Okay, right. Then here students, here being limited, needs are relatively very low in number. Needs are relatively very low in number. Right, then students. So these are the characteristics of needs. What are the characteristics? Being essential, being common, cannot be created, being limited. Being essential, being common, cannot be created, and then being limited. So these are the characteristics of needs. These are the characteristics of needs. Okay, characteristics of needs. Okay, right. And then students, now we will look at characteristics of wants. What are the characteristics of wants? Right, first one. First one, Himandi. Himandi, first character of want. Himandi?
Not essential for existence. It is not essential to fulfill a want, as that need could be satisfied by another similar want instead.
Right. Then here, students, not essential for existence. It is not essential to fulfill a want, as that need could be satisfied by another similar want instead. Not essential. Here, not essential means, okay, not essential. Lamai, not essential means here, if you want, Lamai, you can eat rice and curry for dinner. Okay, you can get rice and curry for dinner. But no need to fulfill, but it is not required to get only rice and curry. You have different options. Not essential to fulfill rice and curry requirement. To fulfill your food requirement, no need to get only rice and curry. You have different options, not essential. You have different options other than rice and curry. Okay, other than a kottu, you have different options. Here, not essential means, in other words, you have different options, different ways, different options, different methods. Okay, no need to complete only rice and curry requirement. No need to fulfill only rice and curry want. Okay, there you have different options. Not essential here. For existence, it is not essential to fulfill a want as that need could be satisfied by another similar want. Using another similar want, you can satisfy your food requirement. If you want to eat rice and curry, you can eat rice and curry. But if you want to get string of us, you can get string of us as well. Okay, not essential to fulfill only rice and curry. Okay, to fulfill want, okay, to fulfill a need, you have different options. Options are available. Options are available. Okay, not essential means options are available. Okay, like that here, for existence, it is not essential to fulfill a want as that need could be satisfied by another similar wants. Using another similar want, you can satisfy your food requirement. Okay, not essential. Right. Not essential. And then next one. Abdullah. Second one, Abdullah.
Being diverse, even though the needs are common to any individual, the way they satisfy them differs depending on their socio-economic conditions.
Right. Being diverse means even though the needs are common to any individual, the way they satisfy them differs depending on their socio-economic conditions. Depending on our social status. Okay, depending on our society. Okay, the way that we satisfy our needs can be different. Okay, sometimes most of the Sri Lankan gets rice and curry for their food, but in some of the countries, okay, they get vegetables as well as meat. Okay, the method of fulfilling our needs are different from country to country, being diverse. Okay, different from country to country. Okay, the method of fulfilling our clothes requirement. Okay, different from country to country. Okay, different from country to country. Okay, being diverse, different from country to country. Even though the needs are common to any individual, the way they satisfy them differ depending on their socio-economic condition. Okay, the method of fulfilling our needs are different from country to country. Right, and then third one. Read third one. Netum, read third one, Netum.
Can be created. Businessmen can create wants.
Businessman can create through heavy advertising. Okay, through advertisement. Okay, they can publish their product, and then they can create wants in consumers' mind. Okay, businessman can create wants. Okay, right. One of the latest improvement is in most of the textile shops. Nowadays you can see red color items, red color products. One of the latest improvement is, okay, in most of the textile shops now you can see red color items, red color heart, red color flowers. Okay, why? Because of February 14. Because of February 14. Okay, I know that. To sell products because of February 14. February 14. Now, most of the textile business organizations have changed the structure of their business. It means business create wants in the human minds. Human mind. They generate wants. They generate wants. Okay, they generate wants. Right. And then next point. Next point, Nitum. Right. Sadev. Sadev, read next one. Fourth one, Radev. Sadev.
Being complex due to being unlimited and diverse. Fulfillment of wants are also complex.
Right. Now, being complex. Hard to identify. Hard to identify. Being complex. Now, business organizations struggling to identify consumer requirements. Struggling. Why? Hard to identify what customer want. Okay, they do various market research. Business organization do various market research. They apply various methods to identify customer requirements. Customer requirements. Hard to identify. Now, main textile business organizations. Kiribathgoda, Candy, Lady J, House of Fashion, Fashion Buck, and then Odell, Hamidia. That kind of main textile business organizations always trying to identify customers' requirement. Customers' requirement. Why? Now it is hard to identify customer requirements. Very complex. Very complex. They struggling to provide different type of clothes. Different type of clothes. Okay, our taste, our requirements will be changed day to day. Our requirements may be changed time to time. Time to time. Therefore, they're trying to identify consumer requirements to provide next product. Next product. Being complex. Being complex. Being complex. Hard to identify consumer requirements. Okay, being complex. Another characteristic of wants is being complex. Okay, okay. I know that it means unable, hard to identify, unable to identify. Right. And then my last one is what? Last one. Read last one. Sahas is unable to read. Suwani, last one. Suwani.
Being unlimited. There are different wants that can be used to fulfill a single need.
There are different wants that can be used to fulfill a single need. Being unlimited. Being unlimited. It means to fulfill our requirement, there are different options. Different options. To fulfill our cloth requirement, there are different options. Now, being unlimited. Needs limited, but wants unlimited. Wants unlimited. The students, what are the characteristics of wants? Not essential. Not essential. Being diverse, can be created. Being complex, being unlimited. Being unlimited. Okay, being unlimited. Right. Then here, right. Then here, Binili, what are the characteristics of wants, Binili?
being essential, being common, cannot be created, being limited.
Being limited. Okay, right. Then again, chamatka. Chamatka. What are the characteristics of needs? Chamatka.
Not essential, being diverse, can be created, being complex, being unlimited.
Right then. Gayanda. What are the characteristics of needs? Gayanda. Gayanda, what are the characteristics of needs, Gayanda?
So being essential, being essential.
And then?
What's that?
Yes, right. Right, and then being common. Right. Then Hania, what are the objectives of a business
Being
organization?
essential.
The objectives, Hania.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
What are the objectives of business organization? Objectives.
Main objectives are earning profits and increasing customer satisfaction.
Right, and then other objectives, Hania.
Sub-objectives are increasing the quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities and employee welfare.
Welfare. Right. Then Himandi, what are the characteristics of wants in a business? Sorry, what are the characteristics of wants?
Not essential, being diverse, they can be created.
And then?
They are complex and being unlimited.
Unlimited, right. And then Netum, sorry, Abdullah, what are the characteristics of wants, Abdullah?
Not essential, being diverse, can be created, being complex, being unlimited.
Right, the characteristics of wants, right, okay, right. And then Netum, what are the objectives of business, Netum?
Earning profit, increasing customer satisfaction.
Right. Right then, Netum, other objectives, Netum?
Increasing quality of goods and services, generating employment opportunities, employee welfare.
Right. Then Sahasra, Shara, Shara, ne?
Shahra.
Shahra. Right. Shahra में what are the needs? Shahra, what are the needs? What are the different types of needs?
Food.
Yes, needs. Type of needs. Food, clothing, shelter, and then
Transportation. No.
education. Yes, education, health, security, transportation, communication, and entertainment. Okay, different type of needs. Different type of needs. Okay, right. Right, then students, we list for the day. I have another class to start. We list for the day. Next day we will complete. In your textbook, there's a table. In your textbook, there's a table. We will complete that table on next day. Okay, next day, yes. Next day we will complete this table. Okay, right. And then and after that we can move into manufacturing business organization. Okay, right. Next year, we will complete this table. Right. So then we will stop the day. Then we discuss objectives of a business organization. Give me 1 minute. Right, what we discussed today, students, right, Lamai, what we discussed today, we discussed today objectives of a business organization, and give me 1 minute. Right, what we discussed today, objectives of a business organization, and then we discuss needs and wants. Okay, needs and wants. It means two concepts that we know under business studies. Okay, right. Right, then students will meet again on next. Right, Lamai, right, again we'll meet on next Thursday, yeah? Thursday, okay, right. Right, then good night, good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Right, yeah, okay.